You know, anytime I've done mass timber, it's how the other materials interface. So like getting steel to play with wood, as long as you think through it, works pretty well. We have 65-foot concrete walls that we chose to take full height. Mass timber is always wanting to achieve a schedule savings to justify the increased cost of the timber itself. The only way we really saw to do that was go full height with our concrete and then allow the timber to run up the building.
What do you project the schedule savings to be on this?
We still had 4 months of that concrete going vertical, but that's where if you can reduce those to CLC walls, like, you know, we had 7 of those. That's, you know, a week of work versus 4 months. So I see the most ability to save money in mass timber in an industry in your vertical systems. You can do a lot more, a lot quicker with a custom style connector. The ability to just shove those on, have your beam elevations and everything set, keeps everything pretty tight as you go up the building. So really in the end, when you factor in the labor, especially if you're field installing any of the Raycons, that's a big saving. So we're all Doug fir on this. We have really large spans in this building. The structure really is pushing the envelope on grid spans. So they needed the extra strength that Doug fir provides. So, you know, none of the timber you see in here is getting drywalled. Trying to keep the office areas as open and exposed as possible. It's a lot of fun to work through that with engineers. You know, I definitely have enjoyed this. It's been a good experience for the company. The nice thing about Dick Anderson is we're still a small enough company. We have a lot of flexibility there. Like, there's nothing too small for us to go after, but in terms of work in the state of Montana, there's not really anything too big. They want a quality building, and so when you hard bid a project, you get what you pay for. You know, like, you may have a great GC, but we're only as good as the teammates we have on the team with us. I think if you want to build a really nice, well-built structure, mass timber is the nicest structural system on the market. Most successful mass timber I've been a part of has been with folks that are geeking out on this stuff as the engineers of record. And then when you get them interfacing with the mass timber suppliers, great things happen.